to everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to start a new unit and new prose. Yeah. See, in the previous achievement we just read one prose and one poem and grammar, isn't it? Are you clear about those things? Okay. Today we are going to start a new prose. Trip to my grandparents' village. See, so the prose name is Trip to my grandparents' village. Do you have any idea about that? Trip. So, one boy, Santosh. Okay, so the character name is Santosh. So, Santosh and his family members just went to his grandparents' village for their holidays, vacation. Okay, so in summer time, that is a vacation time, so they are planned to go to their grandparents' village. So Santosh was very eager to go there, because normally if we want to go to anywhere means we are very enjoying, no? Yeah, see, like that boy. So Santosh is school going boy, so he also get more enthusiasm about his traveling and also that holidays. Okay, so Santosh and their parents planned to go to grandparents' village, and after that they are ready. Okay, so they are packed their things, and then Santosh just packed his tab also. Why he packed his tab means he want to play video games. Mostly we are our time passes mostly the school children means they just playing video games or otherwise watching TV, isn't it? Okay, so for that expectation, Santosh just packed his pad. Okay, so that tab. Okay, after that they are just ready to pack their things. After they just traveling by bus. So he just loved the scenery, because the outside of the road that should be very beautiful, because the nature looks very beautiful. All the trees and fields looks very green color. Okay, so Santosh enjoying the holidays in that during vacation time. Okay, so what he is seen and how he feels, how he enjoy his traveling time in vacation, that only we are going to see in this particular prose, Trip to my grandparents' village. Okay, let's we move to the prose. Yeah. Hi children, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English class. Yeah, this is your achievement to first English class, isn't it? Okay, so today we are going to start a new prose, Trip to my grandmother's village. Okay, see, Trip to my grandparents' village. That is, the poet's going to his grandparents' village and what he seen in that village. That only we are discussing in this prose. Okay, yeah, so how could he feel in that during some days? Okay, and how he feel and enjoying these sceneries in that village. So that all only we are going to see in this prose. Okay, see that. So what is the title of the prose? Trip to my grandparents' village. Yeah, see, it is summer. Santosh vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirmalai, his parents' village. Santosh is excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary when he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experience during his visit. See, listen. So, the character name is Santosh. So Santosh is a school going boy. He was in that vacation day, that means holiday, so that his parents decided to go to their parents' village. Okay, so what is the name of the village? Sirumalai. Okay, so all of them plan to go to the village Sirumalai. So Santosh, one habit is, what is that? He writes a diary, that is all his experience. He write down a diary, and after that, if any day he takes and read, means that memories will recall him. Okay, so see, so that was a summer vacation. So summer, Santosh's vacation has started. So summer holidays have no. So that summer holidays. So Santosh parents planned to go to Sirumalai. Sirumalai is a Santosh parents village. So Santosh parents village. Santosh is excited because he was very excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. So all his experiences, what he experienced in during the visit, whatever he go or whenever he go, he just recorded with his mother's phone. After that, he just take a note and take a diary and write down his experience through this recordings. Okay, yeah, see, let's read his diary to know his experiences during this visit. So this is the experience of the village visit. So what is the name of the village? Sirumalai. Okay, see, so 10th April, so that is the day 10th April. So April 10, I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my cloth and tab for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus, so I am excited. See, so I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. So who is very eager? Santosh. So Santosh is very eager to visit his grandparents' village. See, mostly the children are, if they are staying in the city side, means they are very eager to go to the village, isn't it? Because that sceneries and that experiences and friends and the nature is all the one will be in a pleasant mood, so that mostly children like to go to the village side, isn't it? So like that, Santosh also was very excited to go to the village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. So grandparents and cousins all the one lived in that village. I have packed my cloth and tab. So they are staying in that vacation 2 days. So they are packing their cloth, dresses. After that, tab. So why they are why Santosh take that tab for their packing? Because of playing video games. Okay, we will be traveling in a bus. So in which mode they are traveling to village, means by bus. I am so excited. So Santosh was very eager to visit the village. Next, 11th April. So 11th April, the next day was came. So that day they are went to the village. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. So the weather, summer means at the morning time the weather should be in a pleasant mood, isn't it? So that flowers and that leaves are very fresh in that summer season only, isn't it? Yeah, so that climate was very nice. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. So there are numerous trees with yellow flowers. So in that road they are traveling by bus, no? So the both side of the roads also have some trees. So in that trees have some yellow flowers. So that could be in very good nature and very good visit. Okay, very good scene. There is a greenery all around. So all around the surroundings based on that road, that is very greenery and very pleasant. There are many white grains in the lush green paddy fields. So paddy fields. Paddy means, do you know the paddy? Yeah, that rice growing, that grow, no? So that is the paddy. So that paddy fields. ஸோ இன் தமிழில் சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம், நெல் வயல்கள்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ தட் இஸ் தட். அண்ட் த scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the fields. See, they are put some man's statue like, because they are ready to save the paddy fields through that birds and animals. Could you seen that in the paddy fields? See, like some toys, the man standing like they are putting in the field to protect their paddies from the birds and animals, and that there is no traffic, noise and air pollution in the village. So in that city side only there is more traffic and air pollution, all the one is there, but the village side that is less than. Yes, okay. Next, so this is the picture. They are traveling. I get off the bus and run to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. See, so when they are going to reach that village, 11th April, yeah. So they get down the bus. After that, that Santosh ran to meet my grandparents. So very eager to, they are just way too eager to watch his grandparents, isn't it? So Santosh ran to see them. After that, they itself very delighted to see that their son and daughter. After that, the grandson. Yeah, okay. The house is surrounded by many big trees. Mostly in village means the house is surrounded by some trees. Yeah, so like that only this village also have some trees surrounded by the house. After that, they are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. So what are the trees surrounded by the house? Jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. So all the trees are surrounded in that house. After that, the trees have abundant fruits. So not only the trees have fruits. For example, mango tree means the mango is there. After that, banana tree, so the banana is there, like that. So all the trees have its fruits. After my grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. So grandfather just plucked the mango and give it to the Santosh. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. So the mangoes are very sweet. Okay. Next, 12th April. So 11th April, that is completed. That one day they are traveling. After that, they just visit their house. The house is very beautiful. The house is surrounded by some trees, and then grandfather plucked the mango and give it to the Santosh. Yeah. Okay, next, 12th April, that is next day. I have woken up early today. I am out for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze is pleasing. The coconut palms are swaying lazily. The farmers are already in their fields. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are threshing the paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees and the bushes. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. Citizen. So this is the next day, 12th April. So Santosh was get up very earlier, and then he just went out for a walk in the morning time. So that morning time he just walk in the village road. After he saw he feel that the cool breeze is pleasing. So that air is very cool in that morning time, and the coconut palms are swaying lazily. So that is the leaves of the coconut that was moving with the help of the air and very smoothly. Okay, the farmers are already in the air fields. See, mostly in that village means all the farmers have a fields. So in that morning itself they went to the field and working in that. Yes, okay, so that they are already in their fields. Some of them just cutting the crops. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அறுவடை அது பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. அண்ட் சம் ஆஃப் தெம் ஆர் த்ரஷிங் த பேடி. த்ரஷிங் மீன்ஸ் அந்த நெல் அடிப்பாங்க இல்லையா, ஸோ அதுதான் த்ரஷிங் த paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees. So the sound, he heard the sound of singing birds. So that was very nice experience to him. And the cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enhancing. So the cuckoo is one type of bird, isn't it? So that also make a sound, no? So that sound also makes him very happy and very cool mind. Okay, yeah, so this up to only today your teaching part. What would we see in this particular session? So Santosh is a school going boy. That was a summer vacation. So their parents planned to go to their parents village. Okay, so Santosh also very eager to watch the village and also his grandparents. And then Santosh had one, that is one habit. What is that habit? He just record all his experience with his mother's phone. After that he just write down that experience in his diary. Okay, yeah, so this also his once experience to visit his grandparents village. So when he go to the village means they give the time. So that date and month here given in this particular prose. So 10th April they are planned, and then they just pack their things. And Santosh also just get ready to visit his grandparents village. So they Santosh just packed their cloth and also his tab for playing video games. After that the next day they are traveling by bus. So the both side of the roads also are looking very pleasant mood. That is the yellow flowers are just around the road. After that he see the greenery fields. So greenery fields and that all the one looks like very pleasant mood. Okay, and that there is no traffic and there is no air pollution. That village looks very smooth manner. Yeah, okay, next. So the day 12 Santosh was get up very earlier, and he wanted to eager to visit all over the village. So that he walked into the road. In that particular time he feels very cooling in that morning time. So the coconut leaves are moving with the help of the air. After that the farmers in that morning itself they are working in the field. So these all the things just Santosh watched in that morning time, isn't it? Okay, so remaining that story we will see in the next session. Are you clear, students? Okay, so based on this you have an material reading and also a home test, and daily you have an 10 objective questions based on this teaching session. Okay, so you just watch this videos very carefully. After that you want to write the 10 1 marks, that means objective type 10 1 marks. So you have to write that homework and send it to your class teachers. Okay students, yeah, thank you to all. Hi children, welcome back. This is your book reading session. So all of you take your book and take a pencil and ready to split everyone. Yeah, see, today we just start a new prose, trip to my grandparents' village, isn't it? Are you understood the story? Okay, so now we are just start to split that and know the every pronunciation of the words. Okay? Yeah, so listen carefully. The first paragraph. It is summer. Santosh vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirumalai, his parents' village. Santosh is excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experiences during this visit. See, next para. 10th April. I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tapped for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited. Next, 11th April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white grains in the lush green paddy fields. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. There is no traffic, noise and air pollution in the village. Next, I get off the bus and run to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. Next, 12th April. I have woken up early today. I am out for a walk. I am out for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze is pleasing. The coconut palms are swaying lazily. The coconut palms are swaying lazily. The farmers are already in their fields. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are threshing the paddy. Or some of them are threshing the paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees and the bushes. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enhancing. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. See, so that's all students. So remaining part we will see in the next class. Are you clear the pronunciation of those words? Okay, so you just practice and read out 2 or more times, then only it will be very easy to read. Okay? Yeah, thank you students.